Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are making a card using Truly Tailored. Let's get started. Okay, so I have a piece of Very Vanilla, and I'm getting the Night of Navy Classic ink pad. And the stamp that we're going to use today is Looking Sharp with the glasses. Zeta recently got glasses, and she seems to like them, but I don't know if she feels a little bit different. So I want to make sure that she knows she still looks good even though she wears glasses. Okay, and this is on block D. I'm just going to put that down just like that. And then I have the tailored tag punch, and I'm just going to put it in and then it punches out perfectly. And now we can put this card together. I have the coordinating paper True Gentleman, and this is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. And I have some Tranquil Tide ribbon, and I'm just going to put that across, which I think I'm going to put it this way. So and she looks super cute in her glasses. It almost looks like she's always had glasses, which is kind of strange, but I don't know. They look very natural on her. Alright, so I'm just going to flip this over, and I'm going to put this down with Scotch tape. Just like that. And then I'm going to get my snail adhesive. And then I'm going to put this down on a piece of Night of Navy, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And then we'll just put that down to where it makes a nice little border. And we'll put some more adhesive on the back of this. And then I'm putting it down on Very Vanilla Thick. And that is cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2. And it is scored at 4 1/4. So we'll just put that down like that. I'm going to bring in my paper piercer, and I have the Regal enamel shapes. So I am just going to put these right at the end of these lines here. Just like that. Just to add a little bit of pizzazz to it. I absolutely love the coordinating paper, but we all know Zeta is a girl, so have to dress it up a little bit. So that's why we got the ribbon and the little enamel shapes. Alright. So, just like that. A cute little card. Hopefully that gives her the confidence she needs to feel comfortable wearing her new glasses. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!